I need to go get some stain for this front porch. Go check out the inside. Finally got the carpet laid. In fact, we're gonna go up there first. Are you kidding me right now? This the wrong box, bro. Mimosa. Yeah. Oh, shit. Sun all in my eye. My grandma used to live right here.
Where?
Right there where the house missing.
Oh.
Yeah, right here.
That was cool.
Right there. Watch out, look at this here, man. What is this dude doing? What are you doing, Vato?
Voy a la ferretería.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh, you bring him to
What's up, my guy?
I gotta go get some hinges for the door out.
Oh, okay. I'm about to go try to clean this basement. I got the little
What
fancy. Wait.
It's almost dry. It's dry.
No, I'm saying I still gotta clean it to paint the floor.
I thought we was gonna see the other property.
I already bought it. We can go over there.
No, I thought we was gonna make the walk.
You ready? When you get back, we can go walk.
I've been ready since yesterday.
Yeah, you know, we gotta be on his time, man.
I broke this thing.
Right, he need a new watch or something.
Bro.
Hey.
You what?
Oh.
Anyway. Alright, when you get back, we can go over there.
Armando, what's up? How you doing, brother? Hey, ain't nothing. Oh, they did a damn good job. Damn good.
Need an extension cord though. This still. Oh no, it's getting dry. Okay. We good, we good.
He did this look like when Moses came through. I'm serious, it looked like he split the, he did a damn good job.
See, basically just sweeping and, you know, simple. It ain't nothing crazy.
You should have waited till it dried up to do it, but
We gonna dry. That's why I brought that. And he said he got a fan. And anyway, and I want this, put this on the curb.
you need some muscle for that, don't you?
Just put that on the curb. We're gonna put the windows in my homeboy pickup truck. This cement, I might just, I don't know.
I might put this in the back of your car.
No, we're not. It doesn't work.
How you know?
Cause the string missing.
What?
The string is gone.
There ain't no string gone.
Where you see that?
It's right there.
That's the string. Pull it. Oh, string ain't missing. He lied to me. I'm keeping it.
No, what you mean? Hold on, find his keepers.
Nigga, you didn't find it, but you can have it. I ain't tripping. Yeah, you can have it. Oh, bugs!
You ain't never been poor. Oh, bugs. That was natural shit. You ain't never been poor.
It's been a while, bro.
You ain't never been poor. You talking about bugs.
It's been a while. It's been a while. It's been a while. Anyway, so you see what needs to be done. Just sweep. Sweep. I just got to be able to paint.
Where's
so
the
sweep.
You don't have a push broom?
I do.
I'm
It's
gonna
in,
take
the,
all this stuff off.
it's in the car.
Blue, you done got bougie on me. You acting like you ain't never been around bugs.
I'm around bugs every time I go look at the house, nigga. What are you talking about?
Yeah, you acting.
Do you want these hands, my guy? You sitting up here talking jazzy to me. Do you want these hands? Okay then. Bugs or not, these hands still work. Okay then.
Where's the plug at?
Way over there. I gotta get an extension cord.
Oh, you gonna blow it from here? So, am I gonna sweep before you start blowing this area?
You could sweep what's dry. You feel me?
Yeah.
And then I'll help you with these logs or whatever.
No, I don't want you to help me with nothing because I came to earn me some money. You know what I'm saying?
I guess.
I came to earn my keep home, boy.
I guess I hear you. All the muscles, man. You tired already?
Oh no, I ain't never tired. I'm like Kevin Gates. I don't get tired.
Okay, all right.
You know what I'm saying?
I hear you talking.
But I'm trying to figure out why you got that broom this big to clean a basement that long.
No Diddy.
What the is that? Oh man. But
No, you old. Come on, what is that? Huh? See.
You can speak Spanish now?
A little bit. Oh yeah, you didn't send me how much that's fine with me. You didn't send me how much I owe you.
I spent today. It was, let me see.
$10?
It was 66
Jesus.
plus.
Yeah, see that knot, man. You making too much money around here.
No, I'm broke.
Yeah, okay.
We're gonna work 24/7.
Me too. I got 8 kids.
I got 12.
She said I got 12. You
No,
got
shit.
jokes.
I want you to see it. This is the broom. He tried to get me to sweep the basement with. I'm like,
Man, listen, dog.
a basement.
Listen, dog.
This is like a kitchen broom.
Listen,
You trying to clean the basement
man,
without
listen.
with a
The
broom.
Egyptian built pyramids with sticks and mud. You hear me? I'm talking about a broom that's small.
That was
How much? Damn. 266. What all we get?
This from today.
All right.
That's because the 2 old and this from today.
Oh, I sent you 80 last night.
Last night.
How you cut this on?
Okay.
It's already on.
Okay. So it's 186.
Amigo, where would he be without you?
He will still be Anthony. There we go.
I said, where would he be without you?
I don't know. That's
Yeah, there you go, amigo, hermano. He think he the only one to know a little Spanish. He heard you saying something to you tell me what hermano mean.
Hermano? That's not even Spanish, is it?
Hermano.
It means brother.
El hermano.
And hermana means sister. Yeah, I've been checking up on my Babel. He said, come on, man, let's
What's
get
Babel?
about it. Babel was the thing to teach you how to speak another language. You know what I'm saying? Gonna have me try to clean our basement with a kitchen broom. We know we saving money, but yeah.
Coming down up here. That motherfucker was
It's kind of, I can't tell really, but yeah. See this? This probably ain't come out, huh?
Nah.
What is that anyway? Burnt?
It
Look like
something.
burnt.
There's something on there, yeah.
Ain't no tripping.
Some fire or something like that.
Don't worry about it. They wanna do something with it. You ain't gotta work. I got something else for these countertops.
Okay.
I'm gonna do what do you call it? Epoxy. Clear epoxy on the countertop.
What you got doing in the box?
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
When the owner isn't here, and he sends his workers in, go up there, you gotta look. Yeah. I came in, go up 1 second. This all dry.
I don't see what you're talking about.
But now look around the corner. Go ahead, go up one more. Boom, you'll see a big ass footprint. It ain't dry.
It's just not that wet. It's still.
All right, you gotta step over to the side.
It's tacky, bro. It's not
Step
dry.
right there so you can see it.
I see. It's not dry.
All right, did you see the footprint?
No, I see two. I see a few footprints, but it's not dry.
You see how agitated he get with his he even did some push-ups. Now he wanna he got that his little son t-shirt on. He wanna flex on it. I remember I used to have guns, you know what I'm saying? I got torpedoes, bro. Look at this, he did good though. I was like, man. I didn't see 5, I seen 1. Well, what you need me to do? And I know that tone of voice when he's agitated. He's agitated right now. You messed up. Don't be looking I was trying to show off his house. You know.
You're just trying to get me in trouble.
I'm just saying, man. You know. But I can tell when his tone get like that, he's agitated. But he's very professional. He has what they call it, tact and duplicity. Yeah, you didn't know I had my thesaurus thesaurus out. You know what I'm saying? I had my thesaurus. Yeah. Hey, look, that's how on 11 cover. I was using my Dinosaurus. What your what? My Dinosaurus. You mean your thesaurus? Yeah. We went all the way over there, and he's kind of upset.
How much you gonna charge me to clean the counter, man? $1,000. Bye. How much you gonna charge? Huh? All right, y'all just saying stupid stuff. Go on, play with your toys. When y'all got a real number, come holler at me.
Well, $44.
How much?
$44.
$44.
Yeah. So what?
Okay, let's go clean first.
I got $15.
Bro, we already agreed on 10. You left. This carpet gotta get cleaned already.
That's what I was looking at. That's dirty.
Dirty as hell. That's your fault.
Dirty as hell. Why don't I even be over here?
I got it, bro. Oh, there we go.
I'll put that blind up.
Oh, you did it right too. You got your fingerprints everywhere, but it's cool.
That ain't mine.
Those is yours. Those are Negro fingerprints.
No, sir. Over here.
Get out of here.
Put this blind up.
Let me see. Oh, you did that one right too. Okay.
Yeah.
You might have a little. You cracked it though. Look, I knew you did something wrong. Look at that.
That was a mistake. I had to beat it on there.
See, look at him. Look what he did.
I did this one.
That look good. I ain't gonna front.
But that's a janky thing. That's what's janky because
Oh, that's my hairpiece.
the wall is only
after David
the wall only
Jordan
half
chopped
the
me
way.
down.
Okay. Stop
So
letting
I
me
had to
see.
find something to put in that space.
Why ain't you take this down, bro? Ain't nothing but socks.
I don't know what that is, man.
That's socks, bro. You scared
You
of
put that
socks?
in there?
No, I didn't.
I'm just putting the binds up, man.
I don't know why these socks in here. I would assume to keep a draft out, but I'll take them. No worries. Damn dirty
Take your
socks.
socks on.
Take
and
my
all
socks.
Your kids got socks.
He got jokes. Ah, he said we got socks, David and Noah.
But this is kind of janky too back here. Put this blind up.
Oh my God!
That's kinda
Come
janky.
on, man. That's clearly too small.
Well, it wasn't nothing else gonna fit it.
It is. You gotta cut them up. You gotta cut the molding.
You got nothing else gonna fit. You gotta cut them up, but you gotta put something around it.
Man, you out here living janky.
Just put carpet around it.
Janky life. Let me see this bathroom. Ooh,
I did that blind.
this bathroom.
Ah, I knew I forgot one.
Just look at you. You forgetting this bathroom. I put that together though. You hear me?
No, I forgot one.
Everything from the discount market.
Well, maybe that one downstairs.
$250 for the vanity. What'd I pay for that mirror? $20 for the mirror. $10, $15 for the light. Anyway, let me paint my wall, bro. So I'm about to, instead of doing this, keeping I did the accent wall, but I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm about to do like a little abstract type situation on this wall. Instead of doing the same old type of flips, the basic, stuff you usually see, I'm gonna try something different. thinking about, you know me, my artistic ideas with the. Damn, I'm dropping money. I'm bugging. I didn't drop nothing else, did I? Anyway, thinking about spray painting this matte gold color, champagne gold matte. I don't even know where I got this from. I think I got it. I think it'll look real fly. Looking like a Taliban.
Oh yeah, I got you with this kind of damn heat, man.
Yeah, it is hot.
I didn't think it was ever coming this season. I was like, everything gonna get out of here?
Right, you ain't lying. Get this up. It's still wet in the basement though. It's still damp, brother. Man, can I bring you back some waters?
For me?
Yeah.
Oh no.
You sure?
Oh wait, what's that? What'd you say?
I see you want me to bring you back some waters.
Oh yes, please.
I'll get you a case.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to hook up a few days right now. As soon as I can.
You getting some of that AC?
It's hot, man.
Why you ain't putting no AC in the house? Getting all that money.
And my vacuum.
Glory to God. God did not ask.
Where the vacuum, bro?
It's in there. I had to clean all the bag filled up and it's just
You got a bag in your vacuum?
Yeah, I don't use the plastic.
That's why it's whack and cheap. How much it costs? That's what I told you, it's cheap. You gotta get a $400 vacuum, bro.
Then I took all the dust out the bag, put it back in, and start back up.
I'll fix it, man.
Right now, in terms of being connected to
Got
the
these nice plants to go with the wall. Hey man, make yourself useful, bro.
Hallelujah.
It's hot as hell. It's 100 degrees. And I got some plants to match the wall. It's cold, ain't they?
My goodness.
I got two of them.
Glory to
Another
God.
one in
How
there, you can
many
grab it.
know I am a Brazilian. I don't know. Rosetta may know because she booked my ticket. So how many hours did I fly here? I'm not sure, but over 24 hours. Until I get to
There
my
we go.
hotel.
I don't know if they're gonna stay there, but
Okay? Now,
take this off. Just set it on the side, bro. I wonder should they go up? Put them up, on top. What was that noise? Bruh. Camera. Where my Jesus go?
God has called me to be in this connected.
I'm gonna keep them. I'll pay for those. They're for me. You got your pen. That's a nice pen. Let me get this. This. You don't even write nothing. You put your stuff right. Oh, you want it? Okay, take it then. I'm about to get to work.